Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a place where you have been to where things are expensive. You should say where the place is, what the place is like, why you went there, what you bought there, and explain why you think things are expensive there. So as you all can see, there are 5 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 5 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am quite fond of traveling and have been to numerous places, including some budget friendly ones and others being on the higher price range. And today, I would like to talk about a revered hill station, Nainital, which belongs to the latter category and is located in the state of Uttarakhand. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. So, fond means love or to like something, numerous means many, budget friendly means something that is not very expensive, revered means popular or famous. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, the majestic mountains and the sparkling waters of the lake add to the beauty of the town and make it a slice of heaven for tourists all across India. So, majestic means huge or big, and we have also used an idiom here which is a slice of heaven, which means a place which is very beautiful or visually appealing, and using idiomatic phrases increases our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. We will be using more idioms in this cue card, so make sure you watch till the end. Alright, so let's continue. Additionally, I went there for a weekend getaway to get temporary respite from the scorching heat of summer and enjoy the serene and peaceful atmosphere of the city of lakes as well as to celebrate one of my friend's birthday. So weekend getaway means a very short vacation on the weekend. Respite means relief. Scorching means very hot. Serene means calm or relaxing. Furthermore, we went on a boat ride in the Naini Lake, which was quite expensive considering its duration of only half an hour. Food prices were also on the steep side at restaurants in the main market, and the quantity provided was scanty. So, steep means high. That means food prices were also very high. Scanty means less. So, what we are saying here is that the price of the food at the restaurants was very high and the quantity was very less. But we have used better vocabulary words here. Besides that, we also bought a jacket as a gift for my friend, which was not branded and locally made, yet costed an arm and a leg. So we have again used an idiom here which is cost an arm and a leg, which means when something is very expensive. So what we are saying here is that the jacket was not branded but still it was very costly. Okay. So we have answered the first 4 questions. The last question, which is explain why you think things are expensive there, still remains. So let's answer that. Finally, I feel that the prices are so inflated in Nainital because of the high footfall of tourists, especially during summer season, as well as its easier accessibility, which makes it hassle free for people from cities to come there and who are not so conscious of their budgets and spending. So hassle free means easy. High footfall of tourists mean high number of tourists come there or a large number of tourists visit the place. Conscious means mindful or to care about something. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, We made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.